Is your dog a bit of an escape artist? Houdini with a wagging tail? Keeping your best mate safely in your yard isn't just about keeping the neighbours happy, it's about keeping your dog safe. A secure enclosure helps stop unexpected adventures, run-ins with native wildlife, or surprise visits to the pound.
If your dog's out, local law officers will pick up your dog. First check for a registration tag. After that, if the dog has lost its registration tag, we'll scan it for a microchip so we can find the rightful owner and take it home. We'll also look at the enclosure to make sure that there's no holes in the fences, it's adequate for the dog to return home. We want to make sure that they're safe so they don't get hit by cars or have bad encounters with other dogs in the area.
And let's be honest, chasing your dog down the street in your pyjamas isn't how anyone wants to start the day. So check those fences, fix those gates, and keep the great escapes for movie night. Your dog's safety starts at home.